Hello everyone, it's Lisa. I am going to do an insert here. And I'm going to start and back it all up. Got feedback from a subscriber, hopefully. I haven't lost that subscriber that said that the initial release of this was out of focus, so I'm going to do a take two. This is the brand new limited edition TWSBI Draco fountain pen. So the good thing is, on this take, I can actually tell you what the version is. It is a fine point pen. It's one of two pre-orders that I have. This one has come. I've got another one coming on my channel, so stay tuned. So this has special instructions for, well, I can't read Chinese. Do not clean out the grease. Okay, that's an important note. This one is a little bit different. It's got a darker color paper on the outside, but otherwise it's the same TWSBI plastic box. Wrench silicone grease, standard affairs with TWSBI. That's nice that they always supply that. And do not use alcohol. Yeah. This is the brand new Draco fountain pen limited edition from TWSBI. I don't know if they're making a lot of these. And I'm going to hope that my camera's going to do the automatic focus so that this is in. So you have TWSBI on the band, rose gold accents, a flatter finial with the TWSBI logo on there. And this is not flat, but it's kind of rounded. Hold on just a second. Okay, and I'm back. The end is a little, I'm going to do it this way, and hopefully you guys can see this okay. Let me just try to focus in here. There we go. The end is a little flat, but I wouldn't say it's completely flat. There's a little bit of a crest here, so you can't stand it upright, and this is the finial. It's a beautiful pen with red, pink, and dark black, almost maroonish to me, but some people will say black accents in it. It's really gorgeous. This is really quite the departure from TWSBI. When you think of TWSBI, let me just get out one of my other ones. We always think about it, let's do this, like getting this in focus. It's not auto-focusing for me for some reason, and it's supposed to. Sorry about that. I don't know what's going on with my camera on the autofocus because it's not really autofocusing. There we go. It usually has a clear barrel, so it's kind of demonstrator style, so we're used to being able to see the ink and the piston and all that kind of mechanism. And on this one is no longer letting you do that. So it's just, it's quite different, and I really like that about it. I got mine in a fine point. Let me see if that shows. There we go. Into a fine point nib. Really love that. And it has now a little window. The section has a small step. I think that you're going to be able to grip the pen quite nicely. I love how they do the rose gold nib with the accents on the pen. I just think that that makes for a really good look and feel for the pen. And I don't know what is going on. Let me do my autofocus. Okay. So it's slightly tapered. It's a little bit wider here in the girth, and as it kind of tapers down here on the end cap. And again, the end band is also in a rose gold as well. This is just a really gorgeous pen. Limited edition. I don't think they have a lot of them out, so it's like get it while you can. I don't know exactly what ink I will be using into this pen because I'm using a lot of reds and pinks currently. because it's cherry blossom season in DC, in the tidal basin, they're in bloom. So I'm already using, like I said, a lot of reds and pinks, but I'm hoping that I can figure this out and crack the nut. I don't know if I'm going to go with the black, which would be kind of boring with such a colorful pen, but I might go with another red or pink just because I can. Yeah, I'm just really loving this pen. I really just think it's really well done. It's a TWSBI, so I know it's going to write beautifully once you fill it up with ink of whatever color you choose. But I know that I got mine from Yoseka, and I know TWSBI.com is still selling this pen too. Once it's gone like all limited edition pens. So yeah, I'm very happy with this purchase. I'm looking forward to writing with it. That'll come on another YouTube video. But I wanted to thank everyone for stopping by. Please give this a thumbs up on the channel if you like the content. I don't get any commission off of this. I'm not affiliated with TWSBI and or Yoseka Stationery, so all the views and thoughts and opinions are my own. But take care, have a good one, and stay safe. Bye!